I like to keep the eucalyptus. Tip. Sorry.
Hi everyone, Freddie here, and today I'm giving Victoria, our invaluable stylist, the 4-box challenge. She's going to be getting all 4 of this month's arrangements. Victoria has helped me come up with all the concepts for all the arrangements at Freddie's, and we've been brainstorming together for years, so I have no doubt she'll come up with some fabulous tips.
Challenge accepted, Freddie. Tip 1. I love to have flowers everywhere in the house. As far as I'm concerned, you can never have enough. They recharge a room, particularly in my bathroom, which is my favourite place. Tip 2. So I like to keep the eucalyptus for my arrangements, and then I hang them around my bath. The heat and the steam really brings out their natural fragrance, and in turn, that gives you a really fabulous mood booster. Tip 3. I hate throwing any flowers away, so I will always dry the ones left over. And then I'll put them in my dressing table underneath the glass, and this one is the next one that's going to go in. Tip 4. So I like to keep the roses for my arrangements, and you just pop the heads off and bung them in a bowl. And you can also add some essential oils to them, and that will make them even lovelier. All done, Freddie. What do you think?
You smashed it, Victoria. That challenge was more than accepted. Look out for all of the 4-box challenge films from Team Freddie to collect as many different style ideas as you can. And do show us what you come up with. I can't wait to see what inspirational style ideas you have too.